Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add a product to your Shopify store. Let's get started. So in order to add a product, there's several ways. So you can head over to the product right here, wherein you can see some buttons. Like for example, you can see the button right here for add product. So you can add product manually, but one by one through this particular method. So click on this add product, and in here you should be able to see some few more settings. So you can see in here that you can add a title of the product as well as description. For example, right here, let's name it hat or cap. And then you have in here the title. You can also use this generate text, which is an AI that can help you generate product description. So let's put in here blue cap for summer. And you can click on this generate button right here. And then this will help you generate this particular description. Click on the keep right here if you're satisfied with that. So when you scroll on, you can see in here the media. Click on this upload new right here. And then from in here, just select the particular image of that specific product that you're actually selling. So for me, for this one, I will head over and add in here a placeholder image like this one. Click on open. And then as you can see, it will add it to my media right here. Now, when you scroll on again, you can see in here the pricing. You can dictate in here the pricing that you want to charge for this particular product. So you can also charge tax for this product, and you can also put in here the cost that it make you to make this product. So for example, it took you around 59.9, and as you can see, we have a profit of around 90%, and you can also track the quantity right here. So for example, we have 100 or 1,000 in quantity, and in here you can see that this has an option to make it a physical product or a digital product. So just put in here the weight of that particular thing, and then you can also add in here variants like colors. It can be black, blue, or any variants that you want it to be, or any option that you want to add for this one. So click on done. And then as you can see, we have in here the option for active status. So make sure that this is active. Now in here, you can also choose in here the product type as well as the category, collections, and anything that you want for this one. Once you're done with that, just click on the save option right here, and this product will be saved to your product collections. So let's head back. Now as you can see, the product has been added right here. Now, if you want to add some more products, but you want to do it bulk, you can click on this import option right here. Click on add file. They also have a download sample CSV that you can choose from, wherein you can put all the details of your products. So I already done that. So click on this add file. And then in here, let me just head over and get the CSV file right here, which is this one. Click on open, click on upload and preview, and then the CSV will look like this. These are things that I will sell. So click on this import products right here. And as you can see, product import is in progress. So we can just wait for that to finish the loading process. Now, as you can see, the products has been added and I can actually sell them to my store right here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.